So I'm gonna put Color Oops on my hair. Looks like this. Got it at Walmart. It's like 10 bucks. I'm gonna see what it does. So I've got this, which is just a conditioner, and this, which is what I like to wash that out of my hair with because it makes your hair feel disgusting. And I already took the top off of this, so you just mix this part with that part. But I'm going to put my gloves on and do it, and then put it all in my hair. And so, to get started, what you need to do is get Uncle Sam's support. Obviously, he has to be there to help you, to make sure that you don't totally screw yourself. Today, he is with me. So, put your gloves on. I know I look like total crap, but that's because I don't have on any makeup. I haven't brushed my hair. I haven't washed my hair. It's nasty. You're just gonna mix these. I think that's how you do it. Maybe I should have read the directions. I've done it before. I just don't remember. Yeah, 1 goes into 2. So, put your lid back on it. And read the directions. Probably should have done that first. So, it's got a little hat with it. And just let me warn you, this stuff smells like something died in your back seat and laid back there in 100-degree weather for 4 days. Right. Pour 1 into 2. So, to get started, you want to mix the bottles, shake it for 30 seconds, put it all over your hair, let it sit for 20 minutes. You don't want to be near cool air, it says. Which, I mean, the window's open. Shake it up. So after it's on your hair and you smell like something has died, you're wearing your Uncle Sam shirt and you're being safe. You've read the directions, sort of. You have to leave it on for 20 minutes, and it says be sure that you're not near cold air. Then once you're done, be ready to take a shower, because you have to rinse this for 20 minutes. 20 minutes of rinsing. And I like to rinse about 1,000 times with this stuff, but your hair is going to feel disgusting. Then you want to take about half a bottle of this and just have a good old time with it. So, you want to shampoo for another 5 minutes after 20 minutes. So, 25 minutes all together is what you're wanting to rinse for. Ridiculous. Good thing I'm over here at my mommy's house. Who would be watching my youngin' for me? He can't wait 25 minutes for me to rinse after waiting 20 minutes for me to do the thing. Color Oops did this. Can't, made it just a tad bit lighter. Not much. Just a little bit. So, I'm going to put this on there and see what it does. It plainly says on the side that if your hair is dyed in dark, it won't work. But I'm bored. Let's try it anyway. Who cares? So we're going to take these, mix them up. This is my conditioner, I suppose. Yeah, conditioner. So we're just going to take this one, shove it into that one, mix it up, stick it on my hair. So when you open up your instructions, this cute little brush pops out. It's kind of messed up on the side there, but I don't care. So I just wanted to read it just a tiny bit. Make sure it's right, but they're all the same usually. Put one in one, put it on. I've been waiting a while. I don't see much change in it. But I have this. And after I wash this out, I'm gonna put some of this blue shampoo in it that I got online. We'll see what it does. This whole process has just been one big experiment. So if you don't care about what you're doing, then just try all of it. It still just looks brown. See what it looks like down. Yeah. It's not really much of a change in it. Kind of like on my roots, that's about it. Now let's wash it out. So, bending over a bathtub and like rinsing your hair out will break your back. And I just got done rinsing it out, and then I put the purple shampoo in for just a few minutes, let it sit, and I rinsed that out and put all the conditioner in that come with the color and some extra conditioner. I'm probably gonna need it, right? And then I haven't made up my mind yet if I'm gonna leave it or if I'm gonna put another color on, because I haven't seen it yet. And truth be told, it's probably like a orange, light brown, weird kind of color. One could only hope for a great color, but it probably ain't gonna happen. But it's okay. It's not a big deal. It's not like I'm trying to impress anybody. It's all good. So after all that hard work and dedication, it looks like I have some major highlights, which I didn't do. But yeah, that's how it turned out. Look at my big streak. And I didn't even put those there. Ta-da! Just revealing what I had before is all. But yeah. So it just looks like maybe some highlights. Okay. But that's it. I don't think I'm going to do anything else to it today, because that took so long just doing that little bit. Ooh. But yeah, that's what color Oops a box hair dye and some purple shampoo will do. Look at that shine. Whew. That's it. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.